Mark T the Handyman here. Today we're going to clean this filter on this LG front end washing machine. One of the things that I strongly recommend is that you unplug any kind of device you're working on. In this case, this is the washer, so we're going to unplug this. And truthfully, that's about the most hardest part of this job, I think, is trying to get back behind this heavy washer and unplugging it. But here we go, we're unplugged and we're going to get to work now. Today we are going to do a little bit of maintenance work on our LG front load washer. We're not actually having any problems, but it's not a bad idea to regularly check this filter that is located on the bottom left side of this particular LG washer. There are other reasons why you might want to know where this filter is located and how to clean it. One of those reasons is that you are getting an OE code on your washer display. There are a couple of different reasons you might get an OE display, starting with a pump that isn't working, or a pump that isn't pumping as much as it should, or your filter is plugged. So today we're going to provide you with information on how to clean your LG washer filter. It's just basic maintenance. Behind this small cover is where we have the drain line and our cover for the filter. First thing we're going to do is to drain the pump and the pump lines. You will need to get a small pan to catch the water that is going to be coming out of the drain. After the water stops draining, then you will need to move a rag or some type of absorbent material to catch the water that might still be left in the filter. Pretty simple. You just turn the filter itself counterclockwise and then it will screw out of its filter housing. Once you get the filter out, you will probably notice there is some type of items that are in the filter. This is just basic filter maintenance. That's why I recommend doing it at least once a year, if not twice a year. In this particular case, this is what we got out of the filter. Then I took the filter downstairs and I scrubbed it in the utility sink and removed all the other little particles that were in the filter. As you can see, it's pretty clean. Next, we're going to remove the cover. It just snaps right out and it'll snap back in when we're done wiping the filter casing. I'm going to use a flashlight to see if there's any type of major dirt that is in the filter casing. It doesn't look dirty, but there's a lot of particles that are in there that need to be wiped out. So we are going to take this green rag and we are going to twist the rag into the casing pretty good because the stuff that's in there is kind of sticky and grimy. It's going to take a little bit of elbow grease to get it out. Once we are done, we are going to snap the cover back into place, and now we are going to reinstall our filter by screwing it clockwise into the filter casing. Now we are going to stick the drain plug back into place and snap the drain line back into its holder and close the door, and now we're done. If you find you have a damaged filter, you will need to order a new filter. The filter is very important because the filter is what protects the pump from getting damaged. You will need your model number and serial number. You can look online or you can just call the phone number that is listed and order it from LG. And of course, don't forget to plug your washer power cord back in. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.